Hey everyone, welcome on into my beautiful garden. We are celebrating our spring preview, our garden preview, where we have 3 brand new items, which I am super duper excited about. They're for indoor spaces, they're for outdoor spaces, and they bring so much happiness into any space that you're gonna put them. So take a peek at this. I wanna start with our spinner first. It's about 2 feet from the top to the bottom, and it's got this beautiful powder coated steel. It's actually fade resistant, it's weather resistant. So this is something that, again, if you want to put it outside on a shepherd's hook, or you have a beautiful sunroom that you want to incorporate it into, that would be great. As it spins, you can see that beautiful sorbet color palette of all those gorgeous colors kind of spinning together. And then let's talk about each critter, because when I designed this collection, it was truly about these meaningful critters and what they mean in our life, right? So the beautiful bumblebee, the humble bumblebee, we always talk about him as a wise guardian. The ladybug, of course, bringing good luck and protection. And I do the ladybug in honor of my grandmother, which of course she visits me with ladybugs. Follow me up here to the top. We have the hummingbird, which is wisdom and beauty. And then as you're spinning it, look how beautiful down here to the butterfly, which we love the butterfly for transformation and for hope. And then last but not least, we have that sweet dragonfly, which I've tried to get dragonflies to come visit me, and I don't know why, but it doesn't work. But I'm gonna try it again this summer, okay? Their courage and joy. And then all the way down to the bottom, you have this beautiful clapper, and that clapper actually adds for stability while it's spinning, and it also gives that beautiful visual interest. So this is so stunning, you guys. If you can pick up more than one, I highly recommend it. First of all, the way when the wind is blowing, how it's spinning and giving you all of that beautiful detail, absolutely gorgeous. And I love anchoring them in various places. If you have a smaller patio space, grab a plant, get a little shepherd's hook, and you can hang it right there. All right, so that is our first one. Now take a peek over here. This is one of my faves. So much beautiful interest here, and incorporating, again, all of our critters from the dragonfly and the ladybug and the bumblebee, and of course, our sweet little butterfly, hummingbird, dragonfly. All of the critters are here again, and then look at the beautiful pops of the flowers. So this is gonna hang about 21 inches, 20 inches. The wreath itself is about 10.5 inches, and then do you notice this beautiful globe right here in the center? This actually is gonna be illuminated. It's solar powered. So at night, what's nice about this is there's a little on-off switch underneath. Turn it on, let it absorb the sun for about 8 hours when you first get it at home. And then you'll notice that as soon as it turns dusk, this is gonna come right on. How beautiful, illuminating this beautiful wreath, as well as, again, adding some warmth to maybe your backyard or your indoor space, wherever that you wanna put it. Again, also powder coated, weather resistant, fade resistant. These are pieces year after year you will bring out and put in your backyard or in your garden space that are just gonna be those memory makers every single time. Then we also have, I love it, our beautiful thermometer, and also it has a rain gauge. So I'll bring it forward here. It might be a little easier for you to see. Let me slide these out of the way. Okay, so we're gonna start here with our beautiful bee. So look at how beautiful this is. I love, again, glass here on the wings, jewels for the eyes, and it's got that beautiful kind of like distressed brushed bronze. And then here, of course, is your thermometer. And then follow me down to the bottom. We have more jewel detail. We have what's called a rain gauge. This will fill up with water if you want to keep track of how much rain you're receiving. Or if you just wanted to put like a little flower in there, I think that's super cute too. And then all the way down to the bottom here, you can actually stake this. So I designed it so, again, if you wanted to put this in a planter or you just wanted to put it in your mulch beds, this to me is such a fun item, such a no-brainer. And of course we did it in our sweet bumblebee, because we all need our wise guardians there. Let me tuck it over here. And then we also did our ladybug. And I love that, again, I did all the different colors. So the ladybug has like a red, white, and blue theme with the jeweled eyes, and of course the jeweled piece here and the rain gauge. And then tucked in this planter, which is what I'm talking to you guys about, we have, of course, our amazing dragonfly. So look how sweet that is. You can see it popping with, sorry, did I say dragonfly? I meant hummingbird. Look at that with the beautiful wingspan there. And I love how the pop of green brings the colors of the leaf there. You see how you have the blues and and the greens, absolutely stunning. And then follow me all the way down. We just tucked this right into the planter because it's that adorable. So again, whether you're using them indoors or outside, they are fantastic. And then we have our sun catchers. So you're gonna receive a set of 4, and we did all of our critters. So let me put it up here. We're gonna highlight the bee real quick. What I love about the bee is, again, you have the yellow and the black detailing, and you have a nice drop length here. So you can tuck these in any of your windows. So there's the beautiful bee. Of course, we have that great hummingbird, and the hummingbird is all those beautiful blues and greens and oranges, absolutely stunning in all of the detail. And then follow me over here. This is where we have the dragonfly. Our dragonfly peeking through here. And then last but not least, we also have the ladybug over there. So again, set of 4 sun catchers. Awesome, love, love, love temperature gauge, or rain gauge, we like to call it also. And then of course we have our beautiful illuminated wreath, which is gonna have that solar power, so you can see there. And then last but not least, I'm gonna slide this guy right over. We have our amazing spinner. This is so stunning, you guys. So look at that. All of your critters, all of the detail. This is such a fun garden preview. I don't know about you, but I am ready for spring, ready for summer, ready to get outside a little bit more. So these are those whimsical pieces that are gonna help you do just that. So where can you find these? Head over to temptations.com and you can check them all out.